Meta has quietly rolled out a major AI feature called Muse Image, and it could completely change how people create content and ads on Instagram, Facebook, and of course, WhatsApp. With Muse Image, you simply describe the image you want using your everyday language. That is the language that you use to communicate with your friends and colleagues. And Meta AI will generate a high quality, realistic image in just seconds. So for creators, Instagram now includes more than 30 new AI effects for stories, making it easier than ever to create unique and engaging content. For businesses and digital marketers, this is even bigger because Meta is integrating Muse Image into Advantage Plus advertising tools, allowing advertisers to generate multiple versions of ad creatives from just a single text prompt. Instead of spending hours designing different ads, AI can now create hundreds of variations almost instantly. Now, here's the interesting part. Because these AI tools are becoming available to everyone, creating ad creatives is becoming faster, it's easier, and it's almost free. That means social media feeds will now be filled with AI generated content that looks very similar. So your competitor and you will almost have similar content. So the question is no longer can you create an ad? The real question is can your business stand out? So as AI levels the playing field, businesses will need stronger branding, better messaging, and websites that convert visitors into customers. AI can help create content, but it can't replace a clear brand strategy. So how can you try it today? You don't have to wait to experience it. You can already test some of these features on your WhatsApp. You just open your WhatsApp chat and tap the gallery icon as if you're about to send a photo. Select your image and before sending it, tap the style with AI. From there, you can transform your image using different styles, add artistic effects, change the lighting or mood, apply animation, inspired looks, or even edit the background, all within WhatsApp. Also find similar AI features in Instagram stories where you can experiment with the new AI effects. Because the tools are still in the early stages, but they're improving rapidly. And it's exciting to see where this technology is heading. So go ahead, open your WhatsApp or Instagram, explore these new AI features, and let me know what did you create. And if you discover something really interesting, share it with me. After all, I was once told, and I keep being reminded, sharing is caring.